We're back at the library. So Maddie's listening to an audiobook and Mason's over there painting a picture. Wow, that's cool.
5 little turkeys. Want to sit next to that in front so you can see?
Hey, stay back here, Ellie.
No.
Stay back here so everyone can see.
You're standing at the door. One waddles off. And now there's just 4.
4.
1, 2,
3, 4.
4 little
Turkeys.
sitting near a tree. 1
Waddled off. There were how many? 3.
2, 3. 3 little turkeys with nothing to do. So 1 waddles off.
How many is going to be left?
Just
2. 1, 2 turkeys. Thank you for being a good girl. What are we doing? Getting some groceries? Yeah? Jacob's helping. Mason's helping. Thank you for the kiss. Mason's being a great helper. Thank you, buddy. Loading them up. Right? Are you sleepy?
I did all this.
You did all that? Good for you. There's some more coming around. What are you smiling at, silly goose? Let's see that bruise.
The guy behind us is like playing with her.
What?
The guy behind us.
Oh, playing with her. Good job, Mason. Alright, so we just got through grocery shopping at Walmart. So we left the library and then we went to Walmart to get our groceries. And we also picked up just some, you know, what were they? Potato wedges and some cheese sticks and stuff from Walmart to snack on while we did our grocery shopping for lunch. So that's what we ate for lunch. And then I decided to run by my post office, which I haven't checked in like over a month. And so I've got a couple of letters in here and I'm excited to open one from Micah. So I've got your letter, Micah. I'm so excited. And one from Shayna. Gary, Texas and Freeport. Is that Maine? What is that? Emmy. What's Emmy, guys? Maine?
Yeah, really good.
Okay, so Maine. We were right. I couldn't remember what the abbreviation was, but okay, so Freeport, Maine. So I'm gonna open these up right now and take a look. Thank you guys so much for your letters. You guys, when I get encouraging cards and letters, it is so awesome. So thank you so much. We are excited, aren't we, to get those in the mail. So thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you. Okay, we're running into the Dollar Tree really quick. So we are now home and I have all of these groceries to put away. And the worst part about going grocery shopping is putting it away and having to clean out the fridge of all the stuff that doesn't belong there in order to make room for what you bought. So that is what I'm getting ready to do. And it complicates things that our fridge is so small. You guys who know us well know that we're renting this home. If you don't, we're renting this home. And this is just a temporary house for us, but the refrigerator is entirely too small for our family. We have a larger fridge outside, but it's difficult to have to run out there and get stuff that you need. And so anyway, here is our tiny little fridge. It's a mess, and so I have to really stay on top of trying to keep it cleaned out and have room for everything that we get. It's now time to put all these groceries away.
Of class.
What class?
Or community.
Our community? No, we don't have class today, okay?
This pretend one.
Okay, you want to pretend class?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so here we go. All of these groceries. This I've already cleaned out of the fridge. Dirty dishes, trash. And here's our groceries. What, sweetie?
Some music.
You want music?
Yeah.
Let's put some Christmas music on our record player. How about that? I need to get perked up and pumped up because we still have so much work to do today. So what I'm going to do
How about singing
is...
Christmas Day?
I'm talking. Thank you. I'm going to put some music on, and I'm probably going to go ahead and make a fresh pot of coffee so that I can have some fresh coffee this evening because I'm feeling a little tired and I still have plenty to get done today. But let's put some Christmas music on. So phono is selected. Yes, dear.
I have an idea. What about you lay down while you have a cup of coffee and me and Jake clean up the whole entire house?
Doesn't that sound wonderful? All right, thank you, buddy. That sounds like a good idea, but I think I'll help you.
Nope,
All right, let's listen. Ready? Here it goes. Let's turn it up. I just love it. So I'm cooking these chicken and dumplings, and I'm actually also having a cup of coffee. And yes, it is 6:30, and we'll see if that's a good idea or not. But I have been craving a cup of coffee today, so I decided to just go ahead and make a cup. And I got some new coffee creamer at Walmart, and this is spiced latte. So there it is, and it's pretty good, actually. I really like it. And I added a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of nutmeg spices, so it's really good. So I've taken the chicken out to cool. I've got the broth going here. Try to thicken it up a good bit. No M&Ms. Put it back. Thank you, dear. I'm going to try to get this thickened up. If it doesn't thicken up quite as much as I want it to, I'll just do a little cornstarch and water mixture and thicken it up that way. But usually the cream of chicken soup, I've got cream of chicken soup, I've got the broth that the chicken cooked in, and I also added some organic chicken broth to it, and usually that is, oh, and I added some half and half.
Ooh,
so that's the broth. It's the cream
Ooh.
that we added. This is my little cooking buddy right here. He likes to help Mama, don't you? Now, here's the other thing. Do I have cornstarch? I think I'm out of cornstarch, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. I think I am out of cornstarch. Yes, I am out of cornstarch because I remember Jacob used it for his little experiment. But I could do flour and water. Could do flour. So we will see. I may need to do some flour and water. Because we like a really creamy, thick broth. Did you just hit your head? Oh my goodness. He helps me so much clean up. He is the best little helper ever. So we've got laundry going. We've got, yeah, so the typical evening look in my house looks like this. So watching some YouTube, doing some laundry on the couch. That is what is typical of my evenings. I usually do my laundry in the evenings. That's just the time that I find that, you know, school is over, we've picked up the house. Typically that's when I have time to sort through the laundry, switch it out, fold it, and all that good stuff. My mother's work is never done. Am I right? Yes. So hopefully I will allow myself a little bit of time tonight to sit down and relax.
You want me to do anything for you?
Look at this kid. Where'd you learn to do that?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I really don't know.
You're so cute. So the best way to entertain a 3-year-old while you're cooking is to give her a little bit of biscuit dough. So that she can make her pig jump in muddy puddles.
Hey, and she can jump in 1 and 2.
Oh, that is fun. Look at those footprints. Jump in muddy puddles. Yay! Jump in muddy puddles. Hooray!
Hi, everyone. It's like some jellyfish.
Jellyfish?
Like some jellyfish. Like jellyfish. Let's pull it apart. Mom.
I smell something good.
Mama.
What?
I need some scissors to cut their tree house.
No, no cutting. Mason, don't mess up her stuff.
I'm trying to make it like more bigger.
See, I made 2 of them.
Yeah. Oh, goodness. There goes that one.
May I have one? That's one little chunk.
No.
May look, Peppa. Ready? Can I jump in muddy puddles?
No, this is Papa. No, this is a lizard.
You make you a lizard? Huh?
Yeah. I gotta put it apart for you.
I'm gonna make you a lizard.
Oh, can I jump in muddy puddles?
No.
Oh. Is it hot? Can I touch it?
That's not hot.
It is hot. Oh.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, the mud puddles have moved. Yeah, Mom.
You don't want the buttons?
Yeah.
Hot! Please let me jump in muddy puddles.
Okay, hang on. I just need to harden it up.
Can I touch it? It's hot.
Wait, hang on.
Can I jump in muddy puddles? Can I jump in muddy puddles? Can I have jump in muddy puddles? puddles. Jumping muddy puddles every day. Hey, we have classes every day. Every day we have a little sleepover.
You put that with alligators in? You make a ball?
No, there's an alligator. Oh, a ball too. Oh,
Hang on. Making a ball takes time, okay? Okay. Hang on. This is gonna take some time. Still?
yeah.
We're gonna have to open it up. You wanna open it up?
It's literally right there, but you have to go outside because that's the point. You know.
Look like it yet? No, not yet.
I'm making a ball. I'm making a ball.
Hey, can I touch the ball?
Sure, hang on.
Oh.
I'm making a lollipop. You make a lollipop?
Oh, yes, I could. Can you make the lolly?
Here is the chicken and dumplings.
Careful, easy.
Yummy, yummy, yum.
I need them to blow it, please.
You need someone to blow. Is it too hot? Daddy to the rescue.
I like these the best.
Is that your favorite? Go take the call, Papa.
You're blowed up again.
All right. So Maddie and Daddy are over there. Maddie's painting her toenails. Is she painting her toenails? She's painting your nails.
She's already painted hers.
Oh, she's painting nails.
You paint my fingernails yet, so.
Oh my goodness.
Painted hers.
Oh my goodness. And me and this little doggy are sitting here.
And I'm helping Mommy do laundry.
Mason's helping me do laundry.
Well, yeah, I'm letting her relax.
And we're watching a vlog. Let's turn it down a little bit. We're watching Moss Family TV. As a family, we're enjoying it. So much fun. Mason is loving seeing all this Christmas stuff. Dollywood! Now we want to go to Dollywood.
Ain't that the truth?
You want to go to Dollywood?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Looks fun.
Looks fun. Come on. Come on. Maddie's holding on to my skirt.
Get this card. This card.